Hey, good morning everyone. Today we're going to be doing some maple dry rub. Best rub ever. I'm excited about this rub. So we're going to start with half a cup of maples, sugar, quarter cup of paprika, quarter cup of onion powder, quarter cup of Herbamare, which will replace our salt. And then we're going to be using quarter cup of cumin, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of dry mustard. Be careful with the dry mustard, don't put too much. It does have a bit of a taste that leaves in your mouth. This rub is very, very light, a bit spicy, but not too much. This is the type of rub that everybody in the family will eat, no problem. I use it on moose meat, deer meat. I'll use it on beef also, and on some of my pork, some of the pork shoulders. I'll use it on that also. I don't quite use it on the chicken. I use a different rub, which is a bit more barbecuey for the chicken. A rub like this will cost you about $5 to make, and probably last you half this summer. If you use the basic ingredient in it, you'll notice that you can play with some of the other ingredients to your taste. Maybe you want to add a bit more black pepper. It really doesn't matter. It's whatever you wish. But you'll see the best is to play with the rub and then have fun with it, and you'll see you'll get good result out of it. This rub is one of those rubs that you can bring anywhere to any party, and then it won't really shock anybody. So I wish you guys a good summer, some good cooking on the barbecue, and hopefully you have fun trying new meat, new rubs. Well, that's it for this one. If you wish to join the channel or push the like button, this will really appreciate it. I'm just doing this for fun, and hopefully you guys like it too, and hopefully you can use some of my experience. I have messed a few things up, so you guys can probably learn from it and get it right the first time. Have a good one, have a good weekend, and have some fun doing some great barbecue with the family and friends.